What's up guys, and welcome to the 6th Java tutorial. And in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to code a scanner. What is a scanner? A scanner allows you to get a user input. So let's start the tutorial. I'm going to click here as usual, go new, we already have a project, class, name this scanner test, and yes, public static void, tick that, finished, make sure everything's good, yep. So now let's start the program. Get rid of this as usual. We will now create a scanner. So just putting this in, cancelling out, create a scanner. Scanner sc equals new. And then let me copy this. We will need to import a scanner. I'll show you in the next couple of seconds. System.in. It's giving me all these errors because I haven't imported the scanner. So once I import the scanner, good to go. Save that. Now let's get into the code. More of the code. System out print dot out dot print ln. Type your first name. So speech marks, type your first name, and then press, what's that? Yeah, press enter. And now you need more code. This is your name that you will be printing out. So string name equals sc, because we have sc here. Okay, sc dot next. Is it coming up? Yeah, there it is. Next line. This will read the next token as a string. So read the next read next token as string, just to make sure, just no confusion. We also need another system out print. So I'm just gonna steal it from here. I'm allowed to do that because Java is a language where you use other code to make your own code, etc. So Command V. Hello. So hello space plus and then name. There you have it. Let's put in more things into this tutorial. So get rid of that. What I wanted to do is copy this. I thought I still had it in memory, but I didn't. So yeah. And now type your address and then press enter. Type your address and then press. We didn't need that. Remember to save that. And string, now we need to put in string address. Address equals sc dot, should come up new, there it is, new line, semicolon. And now we can write with system out print ln, you live at space plus and then the address that you had. So copy that, put that in. And yeah, also remember to close the scanner. So sc dot Close should be there. Yep. This just closes the scanner. I'm just gonna write that. I'll write that down. Close the scanner. So Command A, Command I indentation. Yeah. Command S saves it. And now let us execute the whole program. I'm gonna move this a bit up. Might need more space. So yeah, save that. Run this now. Type your first name and then press enter. So my first name is Rayhan, R-E-H-A-N. Press enter. Hello Rayhan. Type your address and then press enter. I'll just say 100 Hello Road. You live at 100 Hello Road. That's it really. No, I can't type anything else. Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial of where I show you how to make a scanner class and show you how the scanner actually works and getting a user input and getting a user output.